I've been waiting to tell you this new tips and tricks method that I just found out. There is this new skin in the market, making lot of noise in marketplace. The reason behind this skin getting popular because it can be purchased and sold within a day. That means infinite gold glitch, and this method is famously known as scalping. When there are more than 70% of people trading in the marketplace at the same time, creates this opportunity for players to make gold profit. P350 Vitrum. It's a newly released skin in marketplace which can be purchased for 0.05 gold and sold for 0.08 gold, that too within a day. As soon as you sell the first batch of 100 skin, you can reorder for the another 100 skin, so that the loop keeps on going. Another similar skin that can be traded same like P350 Vitrum is the shotgun spars. If you want to know it, click on this video.